Hello. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and paint the floor. So they've been OSFO'd. We're gonna go ahead and tack up, protect the new canvas that we just put up. So we're doing that. Let's try that like this. Make sure we got that going okay. Maybe something like that. Something like this. All right, it's dry time. So we painted the inside, so we're all good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple repairs on the front here, patch repairs. So I think the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cracked windshield out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in. So I still got to do a little painting around the frames and everything like that, blend everything in, and then I still have to put the side window in, which we're having some issues. I got another seal for that because I broke the old seal. I don't know what is with these seals coming. I've never experienced windows being this difficult to install before. So we're gonna try that again on this side, and I gotta do the whole driver's side door, all the door frame trim and everything like that, and rubber door seals. So they're all gonna fall in some place, but I don't know what the order is gonna be. But stay tuned and follow us, and you'll kind of see what's going on here.
This out, rip this out, and then take all the fabric, the foam out of it. I'm gonna paint all in here, like from here to up here. Back in the little stuff, I'm gonna paint like maybe here. I'm gonna try and get my look at it on it.
window trim. So who knows when that'll come in. Hopefully it comes in before the Nodo Volkswagen show. If not, I might be just putting in the windows and everything without that seal, just for the time being. But yeah, so it's looking good. We're at right now, just sweeping up some of the mess I made in here. But all in all, it's coming along pretty good. That's it. That's right now. So be sure to subscribe. I think next we're going to tackle the windshield, so stay tuned.